I've got some Fabfitfun add-ons and mystery bundles to roll out the end of my Fabfitfun naughtiness. So if you want to see what I picked and what's in these mystery bundles and if they were worth it, then stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. That's Chloe over there. She does exist. You don't see her that often, but she pops in every now and then. And Bandit, well, he's sitting with my mom. He's such a traitor dog. I don't know what to say. But this is the last of my Fabfitfun. I'm going to go over my extras, my add-ons, and the $19 mystery bundles. So the $19 mystery bundles typically have 3 items with a value of $70 or more. So we'll see if we get our $70 or more worth. All right, so the first thing, I got 3 of these because we use these all the time and the price was too good to pass up. These are the DP Hue glosses. These are the glossy glazes in copper. I use this. It adds a nice little copper glow to my hair. It will stay in for a good week. So depending upon how light your hair is will depend upon how copper it will be, but love them. They do have other colors too. They have 2 different shades of blonde. They have a brunette. I think they have a black, and they have the clear. From NCLA Beauty, I have the So Rich Pink Champagne nail treatment. So I've been trying to get my nails back in shape, and I thought this might be helpful, so I snagged it. This, I think I pay $1.80 for as a refill, and this is the Hen Who Men blemish patch, but hey, I think it's good for any blemishes, so grab those, right? And okay, so then my add-ons are by Our Spare Change. It's not the bracelet. It's these earrings that I just thought were so pretty, and they're even prettier in person. They're kind of this iridescent. I thought they were pink, but they're actually an iridescent with some like pink and purple, like all different shades in there. By Parallel, we have the cycle support pack. So I showed this in another one, but basically you have specific vitamins and minerals to take during your cycle and then things to take for the rest of the time. It's supposed to help with bloating and cramping and such. And these are like, I think somewhere in the $40 range, and they were $13 to add on. So I figured I'd grab some more. By African Botanicals is the Stretch Mark Body Oil. And I don't know, I just heard good things about this brand, so I thought I would throw that in. By Aerie, we have the sunglasses. I'm going to show you, I already have these open, so I don't want to take these out. So here is how these look, and I just love this shape, so I'm super excited about these. There was this little free degree deodorant if you got, if you bought X amount of product, so it's my one freebie. From Homesick, I have their lemongrass candle. I already have one open, but it smells delightful, and it's got this beautiful container here. It's a ceramic, and so when you're done with it, you can kind of try to get that label off, and you could just use it either to store stuff, you can use it as an open cup to store like makeup brushes or whatever, or as a closed to put some jewelry or something like that in there, because it's not a seal, so you're not going to be able to put like foodstuffs in it. By Slow Tide, I had a second Turkish towel. Here is how it looks. It's absolutely lovely. It is 36 by 72. It's 100% premium cotton, lightweight, sustainable, and it is made of eco cotton. It is double-sided woven. It has drying loop, and it is ethically manufactured, and it is designed in Hawaii and California. and it has beautiful, beautiful colors in it. By Aerie, I didn't know if I needed the large or the extra large, so I got both sizes, but this is super soft and super cozy looking and seems like an everyday staple for me. And then my candle of the season, so I do get the mystery candle, and I'm really excited about this one. So you don't know what it is, but I just saw it through the container, and I think it's going to smell amazing. This is by Coco by Stone, and it's called The Beach. First of all, look at how gorgeous. Chloe.
Oh, I can smell it from there. Wow, I love this.
Yes. I would definitely purchase more of these. Okay, so let's get into those mystery bundles. So we have by Niantic, we have some luggage tags. It says Adventure Awaits, and there are some cherries on the other ones. And it's like a nice woven. Now, I don't really travel, but I don't know how you would, I guess you would just, there's a place inside where you could put your dress, but it's not going to really show. But I guess, you know, if you see these tags on your luggage, you're probably not going to be a ton of them at the airport. And item number 2 is this bag here. It looks like it's a like a fintech type bag. Belt bag is what they call it these days. So it's in a pretty burgundy, and it's got a zipper here, a zipper here. I don't know, is there a name brand on here somewhere? I don't see one anywhere. It might be a Summer and Rose item. Typically, there's one Summer and Rose item in every mystery bundle for the $20 ones. That at least appears to be what I've seen. And those are also a mystery in the prices because it is an in-house brand. They don't really have anything on their website. Sometimes if you Google like Fabfitfun belt purse burgundy, you might find the price. It's hard though. And then by Dr. B Labs is the Oil to Foam Cleanser. This has ashwagandha extract and sunflower oil. And there is how it looks. It is consciously science-based, it says, and a vegan formula. Dermatologist tested on all skin types and tones. Ophthalmologist tested with clinical proven efficacy. All right, so that is the first bag. Again, that is bag number 11. I am not going to keep anything from this bag, so to me, this was not a winning bag. Now, usually there's one kind of dud and 2 pretty nice ones. So let's see. Now, the Dr. B is a nice thing. I just have so much facial cleanser, I don't need it. And the other items are nice. They're just not things that I'm going to find a use for. I don't travel, so I don't need the travel tags, and I'm not in the market for a belt purse. I have a couple, so. All right, number 2 is 2502 MYS 009. I do see something that I already have. Okay, it looks like we got another belt purse in black from this mystery brand that we don't know who it is. Distributed by Fabfitfun. Yeah, so it is one of their in-house brands. All right, there is this rug. So I actually have this. I have it in my bedroom. So it was useful. I just don't know that I need a second one. And by Innisfree, we have their apple seed cleansing oil. And I haven't really tried this. It's not in a box or anything, which is surprising, but it is sealed and closed. So that's a possibility. Cleansing oil is different from a face cleanser for me. It's just better for makeup removal. So I do like that. But there's 1 out of 3 in here. I'm going to count this as a dead. Now this is, I mean, I own this, I use it. I just don't need another one. All right, so this last one is 2502 MYS 010. We have a big heavy box from Short Stories. We have some Innisfree Retinol Cica Focusing Patch. So I'm going to guess this is 2 sheets. I'm going to guess these are, yes, they're little acne patches. You can wear them overnight. And by 11 by Venus, this is Venus Williams, we have something. I think it's a bag that zips into itself. Yes, it's a duffel bag. I'll try to snag a picture of it. I don't want to undo it because I don't have a need for this. I have so many bags. And I have some really nice duffel bags that I've gotten. Not saying that this isn't nice. I think this is great if you go to the gym. I think this would be a great lightweight bag. Or if you're traveling, a great lightweight bag. And so let's see what is in this Short Story box. It says a set of 4 bowls. It's quite heavy. Now, Short Stories is another one of those Fabfitfun brands, so finding a price on it unless it's in their shop. Their website's usually sold out of everything. Oh, I like these. Okay. All right. I'm not hating this. I think this is the winning bundle. All right. So we have a set of 4 of these, and I'm into that. I mean, I wish they were blue, not tan, but that's all right. Just checking to make sure that none is broken, and nope, they are all in good order. So definitely this last bundle was the winner. The other 2, I think, were snoozers. Now, again, that's just for me and for my preferences and needs. Again, I have that throw rug, and it's a good size, 34 by 21. So it's a good size. This is a quarter of the size. I'm not going to take it out of the bag because this is definitely going to be rehomed. But it has this pretty flower in the center, and it is very nice. Mine actually needs to go in the wash. It's quite filthy at this point, but dogs do that. So it's not that that was a bad bundle. I think that the belt bag, I think having one in each of the bundles, I think that was a kind of cheat on Fabfitfun's part, but you never know what you're going to get, so those will definitely be rehomed. All right, so tell me your thoughts. How did you like this series? We won't be doing it again. I can assure you I will be setting alarms and bells and whistles for the fall box to make sure that I am not doing this again. But we will be having some giveaways coming up. Who knows? There could be a little surprise giveaway in these. So keep watching. I don't like to advertise my giveaways because then you get people who just come for the giveaway, and I like my subscriber give backs to be the people who are there for me on a non-giveaway day. So you might see a little bag put together with a few items and a surprise announcement, maybe, just saying. Watch all the videos, because if I do that, I'm going to pick one winner from each video in this series, or one semifinalist, put them on a wheel of names, and pick one winner. I'm just saying, if I were to do that, that's what I would do. So you got to be watching, and you got to be commenting, and any comment will do, even if it's just a heart. All right, well, thank you so much for spending a little time with me. Please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell, and hopefully I'll see you soon.